Hey guys, what's up? Neil here. I just wanted to share a few updates about my hobby. And recently I bought another 6 cells of 21700. No, I think it's 27100. Molicel 42 amp lithium ion battery. And last night I completed building another pack. And this was the one that was looking like a dynamite, which I got questioned in Japan, so I've also converted it. And I did it this way so I can build a 6S2P, and I bought here an adapter or Y cable which will combine the two into one. So this one pack is 4200 plus another 4200. That's going to be about 8400. But in reality, when you start using the battery, I think it's just going to be about like 6,000 milliamps. And right now, this one, just one pack, my longest flying record was 18 minutes and 30 seconds. So I'm hoping to get maybe close to 25 to 30 minutes, maybe. Yeah. And then this is just this thing here, this TPU here, just to hold the balancer connector. It was actually dangling, so it's not tight, but it's good enough to hold it, and I don't think that would cause vibrations. Yeah, this is my FR7 quadcopter, and then I added some support right there using carbon fiber, built by Polymaker. Specifically, the model is PA12-CF. It's a nylon filled carbon fiber. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks, if in case you're interested. Yeah, it looks really well. And right now I think it's about 1800 grams, so it's kind of heavy. I have no idea if it will fly, and I've charged them both. I was told that when you fly it, when you use them, make sure they have the same voltage. So they're both about around like 25 volts right now. Okay, and then my soldering iron, another update. My $12 soldering iron failed actually. So I was looking for another one, and I've been looking for, or have been very interested in the TS100. And I was searching for reviews in YouTube. I saw Pinecil. I was like, okay, interesting. And then many people are happy about it. So, and it's cheaper. Maybe I think it's cheaper. And all in all, I got this. The other two thing here, I don't know what it's called, bit. Yeah, they call it bit maybe. Are actually separate purchase, but from the same store, which is Typer Act. I forgot the name of the store. Yeah, it doesn't say. It's on my email. But anyways, it comes with this one and this one. Oh no, not that one. This one. This one is D24. That's how they name it. And then the other one is K version. Yeah, K. And then D24. Yeah, it's not pointy, it's flat. Okay, flat. And then this one is the default, the one that comes with the packaging. It's pointy, like for wires. But I love using this. Yeah, I really like this. And then what else? Oh, I'm using this with a 6S battery pack. And I have a D5255 connector, which is actually the DC barrel. Yeah, for this one. Yeah, this one. Yeah, that one. I have not upgraded the firmware yet, so I'm hoping to do it tonight. I'm having issues with libc6 2.33. I need to upgrade to that version so that I can run the tool called Blisp in order to in order to flush that. And then this is my latest build, which is a 5-inch freestyle quad. I got this frame from my brother-in-law, Mag Mike FPV. Check him out. And it flies really well. I love this. This is my old DXA 1920 kV 2207.5 motors. It's pretty durable or durable. And I'm using X-Fly for now. Sorry, not X-Fly, XM Plus, because I ran out of CRSF receiver. And I tried going about like 700 meters. It didn't fail safe. And I think, yeah, this is the same antenna and receiver that I used in 2019, and which kept fail safing. And I think the reason why it's not fail safing anymore is because of the antenna that I used on my Jumper T16. Previously, it was a dipole, the one that comes with the Jumper T16. And when I bought the Diamond 2.4 gigahertz antenna, man, it never fail safe anymore. So I guess I can even go a mile using XM Plus. But what I've noticed since I've been using Crossfire Nano RX or TBS products, receiver and transmitter, what I've noticed yesterday, because I flew this yesterday, I just completed building this yesterday. So when I flew it, I think there is about maybe 15 to 20 millisecond delay. When I say delay, for example, you try to roll, right? You try to roll, and then it doesn't react right away, and then moves right away. So it looks like XM Plus is actually slower than Crossfire Nano. So you just have to calculate ahead of time. If let's say you want to do some like yaw spin right before, or 180-degree yaw spin around a pole or a tree, make sure you're not too close enough, because if you do, you might hit the tree, the trunk of the tree or the pole. So I have to remember that. And I don't want to spend another $24 for the Crossfire. Not for now, maybe next time. And I'm actually considering back ELRS. And I was told by one of the ELRS developers to try Radio Master, because I had very bad luck with Happy Model. So yeah, these are my latest updates, and hopefully I'll be able to test this later. But it's quite windy, and there's tons of flooding on the area where I usually fly, because yesterday was a crazy storm, and really sad to see the news at Belvedere, Illinois, which is about 26 miles from where I live. There's tons of devastated houses. One person died. The speed of the storm, or the wind, was 90 miles per hour. So according to the news, many roofs detached. My God. Last 3 years ago, it was Roselle, Illinois. Same thing happened. That's about 23 miles from here. Man, yeah, scary. So that's why I told my kids, let's go down to the basement. Yep, but anyways, I'm getting derailed on the topic. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna bring to Vegas on April 14th. And then I'm gonna fly with Mag Mike FPV. We're going to Red Rock. He's going to bring me there. Yeah. And yeah, hopefully, I forgot one more. This guy is running iNav 6.1. The other quad, the other 5-inch quad that I use for bashing, runs Betaflight 4.4. RC5. And then this one is running EmuFlight 4.1. Yeah, all actual rates. Okay. Alrighty guys, hopefully you enjoyed the updates, and let me know if you have any questions about the build. Yeah, it's running SpeedyB, and then Diatone Mamba 128K 55 amp ESC, and then SpeedyB F7 V3 for the flight control, and then that's the old Cadex, still the same Cadex. Man, those Cadex are so durable. Thank you, DJI. Yeah, these are old DJI Cadex camera, pretty durable, especially the way we crash, right? Really happy with that thing. And then for this one, I said I was saying goodbye, but so this one is running, what is this? Oh, Spedix GS45 amp. This is my second one, which is about 2 years old. The first one that I bought in 2019 finally died a few days ago. And then the flight controller here is our CL Racing F4S. Quite honestly, I am impressed with that CL Racing F4S, and I was also pissed off because it was like around like $38 back then, but I think it's like $57. Damn, crazy price increase. Yeah, this is the GoPro Session 5. I bought a replacement lens because it broke, and the battery here is not good anymore. Doesn't last or quickly depletes. Yeah, again, that's my 7-inch quad, with a 6S2P battery, and this is my 5-inch. Yeah, really flies well. And I want to show you something. I wanted to fly, but look at the wind. Man, it's so strong, right? I don't know, we'll see. This is where I usually do some bashing. That's the pergola. So that's the one where I said there's a 4 or 5 feet gap, where I was trying to do split S for years, and then it was only recently that I was able to figure out how to properly do a split S. And back then I always hit that branch, yeah, right there, but not anymore. I figured out how to do it. Plan ahead. Don't do the rotation right there. Do the rotation like 10 feet before the gap. There you go, some tips, guys. Alrighty guys, hopefully you enjoyed my updates today. Yeah, man, look at the wind. It's so freaking strong. Jeez, I can hear it howling. Jeez, I don't know. I really wanted to test the 7-inch quad, specifically the 6S2P battery that I built. Maybe I can just hover it outside and see how it's gonna work, because I'm really interested in the weight. I don't know if it's gonna lift it properly. Yeah. Alrighty guys, yeah, I don't think I'll fly. I think I'm not going to that playground. The weather is really bad. I'm just gonna go in front of the house and do some hover tests. Alright guys, hopefully if you have any questions, just please put a comment. Alright, thank you.